We're here at the Best Western.
There's Mystic River.
Here in Hannibal, Missouri.
Show them where we're going next.
We're going to that restaurant next.
Mark Twain Diner.
Here we go. Sorry. Let's see, elevators over here. Oh, look at this.
What?
A-series. I found a Montgomery A-series. I'm in Missouri. Yeah, we should definitely not. Okay, there's a one ring. And the phone box is really hard to open. Three again. 2,500 pounds capacity. I guess they're going up. In the video one, give yourself a cat view. Nice lights. It's definitely a nice elevator here. Thought it was modded at first, but it's still original. Ding.
Alright. Let's go eat.
Yeah. And I guess that will be it.